Good morning, coffee lovers. I'm Erica, and today we're talking about the Diletta Mio Espresso Machine. If you're on the hunt for cafe-quality espresso at home, stick around. This might be the game changer you need. Let's break it down and see if this sleek machine is worth your investment. First, let's talk features. The Diletta Mio is a single boiler espresso machine with a PID controller, which means precise temperature control for consistently great shots. It's got a 1.8-liter water tank, so you're not constantly refilling, and a powerful steam wand for frothing milk like a pro barista. The stainless steel body isn't just durable, it looks stunning on any countertop. Plus, it's designed for energy efficiency, so you're saving power without sacrificing that perfect espresso taste. Whether you're pulling shots or steaming milk for lattes, this machine makes it smooth and effortless. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Mio delivers incredible espresso quality thanks to that PID system. It's user-friendly even for beginners, and the build feels premium, like something you'd find in a high-end coffee shop. Pair it with a good grinder, and you're set for cafe-level drinks at home. It's also compact, perfect for smaller kitchens. But there are a couple of downsides. It's a single boiler system, so you'll need to wait a bit when switching between brewing and steaming. Also, it's not the cheapest option out there, so it's an investment for serious coffee fans. So who's this for? If you're passionate about espresso and want a machine that balances quality, style, and ease of use, the Diletta Mio is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for home baristas who want to up their coffee game without needing a pro-level budget. The pros far outweigh the cons if you're okay with a little patience for steaming and are ready to invest in quality. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Diletta Mio on Amazon. At Rick's Review Hub, we've hunted down the best pricing, and there might even be special promotional deals waiting for you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with your coffee-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews to help you make smart buys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.